working out. This has been on the list. I have a little to-do list of all of the content for this whole month. And this has been on the list for a while and I've been procrastinating for obvious purposes and reasons. But today we're taking some pre-workout so we can't go back and we're doing it. We're freaking doing it. Are you ready? All right, so we're doing pre-workout. I'm only gonna do half a scoop because your girl cannot handle caffeine, okay? So I don't wanna shat my pants today. So, it's a little thing people do with wine. Missed my opportune, but that's okay. Half a scoop, that's good. And some water. I feel like such a bro when I do that. Just kidding. Not very good flavor-wise. Sorry, Jocko. I don't think so, sister. You want to get swole? Let's do it, but you're not having this. We're going to eat a muffin outside, and then Mama's going to go blast Creed. Yeah. Your parents are going to be married, and you're still going to like Creed. When I say we're going to work out, I don't mean that we're going to like every single day we're working out like 75 hard. No, girl. We're not trying to... I mean, we're going to get on a 3 days a week lifting routine. Back to my bones, back to my grind. I used to work out every single day, so I have like a normal routine that I do. I'm already beginning to itch. Yikes. Anyways, 3 days a week, chest tries, back bis, legs is the goal right now. So we're gonna figure out what time of day works best to work out. It's 2 p.m. right now. So pre-workout at 2 p.m. We'll see if I sleep tonight. If I don't sleep tonight, then we're gonna try in the morning during the first wake period and see how that goes. So check back tomorrow. I have a garage gym, so I am able to try these things out at home to see good or bad. My child would not go into a workout little gym area, at least right now. Maybe someday. But we already have a home gym, so why even worry about it? I'm gonna do legs. I just smashed my toe into our bench. So, nah, brother.